Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna check out top 3 best ergonomic keyboards. Starting at number 3, Minder Foldable Portable. If you travel frequently for work, make sure to pack the Obba Solutions Minder Bluetooth keyboard. The black and silver keyboard has a conventional layout, yet its full-size keys provide smooth action and tactile feedback with even the lightest touch. A bonus is the keyboard's built-in 3-inch touchpad, which works with a variety of finger gestures from starting the web browser to opening a search window. This sturdy aluminum device folds up to a 7 by 4.5-inch package that easily slips into a backpack pocket and weighs a travel-friendly 8 ounces. Instead of having cables in the way, the keyboard can use Bluetooth to link with 3 different devices, like a notebook. This allows you to quickly move between devices on a plane or in a hotel room at the press of a key. Powered by a 140 mAh battery, the keyboard operates for 40 hours at a time and is charged with the included USB cable. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2. Kensington Pro. Kensington's Pro Fit Ergo keyboard is for those who want an ergonomic keyboard but aren't ready to take the plunge on a split keypad design. In essence, this keyboard is a more conventional approach to ergonomics that doesn't require retraining yourself to type. The black design includes a softly padded wrist rest, rounded spacebar, and responsive keys that provide lots of feedback. With adjustable fold-out feet in the front and back, the Pro Fit keyboard yields 9 different typing angles from -8 degrees to flat to 8 degrees to suit the pickiest typist. The keyboard's 10 pre-programmed hotkey shortcuts also put any task at the user's fingertips, whether you're watching videos or checking email. Powered by a USB cable, it works with Windows, Mac, and Chrome-based computers, and the keyboard can even stand up to the occasional coffee spill. Built for the long run, the Pro Fit keyboard comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Check out the description for more information and latest price. And number 1 of this list, Kinesis Advantage2. It may cost as much as a basic computer, but the Kinesis Advantage2 is worth it for those who spend all day pounding away on the keyboard. That's because the keyboard split design has concave key wells that keep the hands, forearms, and fingers relaxed. Plus, rather than the typical staggered key design, the Kinesis Advantage2's keys are arranged vertically for maximum comfort and typing efficiency. Kinesis also offers the choice of its standard MX Brown mechanism that requires 55 grams of force to activate a key, or the MX Quiet Red that only needs 45 grams and is quieter. Regardless of which you choose, the mechanisms are rated to last 50 million presses, likely making the Advantage2 the last keyboard you'll need. Available in both the Dvorak and QWERTY key formats, the Advantage2 offers a big differentiator for programmers. Kinesis's SmartSet programming engine. This software not only lets you add macros and shortcuts, but it also quickly remaps any key. Unlike other keyboards, the Advantage2 has 4 MB of internal flash storage space for a variety of those tasks. The Advantage2 also works well for both Macs and Windows 10 PCs. I have included this product links in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share with your friends.